Home buyers, are you wondering what's causing the low housing inventory in your area? Hi, I'm Deb Grimme with Edina Realty. Over this last year, the housing market has experienced lower than normal inventory levels. So why is this? It's a combination of three factors coming together at the same time to create this scenario. The first is lack of building over time. For the past 14 years, builders have not constructed enough homes, which has caused a long-standing shortage of new homes. Total new homes built over the last 14 years have been below the 52-year average. Reason number two, mortgage rates. Some homeowners who are locked in with the low mortgage rates do not want to sell and get into a higher mortgage rate. This means fewer existing homes are coming into the market. And finally, people are just not moving. Today's data shows folks are just not moving as quickly anymore. Combining all of these factors together creates a low housing supply. But all that being said, real estate agents know exactly where to look in their local area to still make your home buying dream a reality. We are experts in the market. If you'd like more information on the current housing market, please reach out to me and my team. I'm Deb Grimme, providing personal service and delivering remarkable results. Let us help you plan your next move. Give us a call. Deb Grimme, homesintwincities.com, and Edina Realty.